Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 0 cents to 75 liter to milliliter, 0 cents 75 liters to milliliters. Correct answer is converting 0 cents 75 liters to milliliters involves multiplying the given volume in liters by 1000 as there are 1000 milliliters in 1 liter. Therefore, 0 cents 75 liters is equal to 750 milliliters. The conversion factor of 1000 is based on the metric system where each liter is divided into 1000 milliliters. This conversion is a simple arithmetic operation but is crucial in various fields such as science, medicine, and cooking, where precise measurement are required. Hence, when needing to convert a volume from liters to milliliters, one can easily do so by multiplying the volume in liters by 1000 to obtain the volume in milliliters.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.